Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick caramel sauce, updated. Start by measuring sugar and water precisely, then heat gently while stirring until amber color appears. Add butter and a little cream off heat to avoid splattering, stirring until smooth. If crystals form, add a splash of lemon juice to reset sugar. Cool slightly before using on ice cream or coffee and store in a sealed jar in the fridge. In this video, I will show how to make quick caramel sauce, updated. Begin by combining sugar and water in a heavy pan, avoiding stirring once it boils to reduce crystals. Watch the color closely and remove from heat at a deep amber. Stir in butter, then cream off the heat for a glossy finish. Taste and add a pinch of salt if desired, then cool slightly before serving or storing. In this video, I will show how to make quick caramel sauce, updated. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you bake. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. A cozy foot day makes stirring caramel more pleasant. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make quick caramel sauce, updated. If sugar crystallizes, add a teaspoon of lemon juice or a splash of corn syrup and warm gently to dissolve. To thicken, reduce by simmering until desired viscosity is reached, about a few minutes. If sauce separates, whisk vigorously or blend briefly to emulsify. Store in the fridge and rewarm slowly to keep it smooth and spoonable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.